Carom plants, or Ajwain plants.
Carom plants, scientifically known as Trichospermum ammi, are annual herbs belonging to the Apiaceae family, which also includes celery, caraway, coriander, and fennel. They're widely known by other common names, such as Ajwain, Ajwan caraway, thymol seeds, or bishop's weed. While often referred to as carom seeds, the commonly used part of the plant is actually its small grayish-brown fruit, which resembles seeds. Both the leaves and these fruit-like seeds are consumed. Botanical characteristics. Carom plants are typically small, erect, branched shrubs that grow to about 40 to 90 centimeters tall. They have many branches with feathery, finely divided leaves. Tiny white flowers appear in dense umbels, usually from July to August, followed by the aromatic fruits. They're widely cultivated in primarily arid and semi-arid regions, thriving in soils with high salt levels. While native to Egypt, they're now widely grown in India, Iran, Pakistan, and other parts of Asia and the Middle East. Culinary uses. Carom fruits have a pungent, bitter taste and an aroma similar to thyme, though stronger. They are a common ingredient in Indian, Pakistani, and Middle Eastern cuisine. They're rarely eaten raw. Instead, they're typically dry roasted or fried in ghee, clarified butter, to develop a more subtle and complex aroma. Ground into a powder and used as a spice. Used to flavor savory dishes, including curries, lentil dishes, breads like Ajwain paratha, and pastry snacks.
If you haven't subscribed yet, please click the subscribe button and click the bell icon to get more new videos.
Carom seeds, Ajwain, are a powerhouse of beneficial compounds, particularly thymol, which contribute to their wide range of traditional and emerging health benefits. While often used as a spice in cooking, their medicinal properties have been recognized for centuries, especially in Ayurvedic medicine. Here are some of the key benefits of carom seeds. 1. Digestive health. Relieves indigestion, bloating, and gas. Carom seeds are most renowned for their digestive properties. They contain active enzymes like thymol that stimulate the secretion of gastric juices, improving overall digestion. This helps alleviate common issues like indigestion, bloating, flatulence, and stomach cramps. Combats acidity. They can help balance stomach acid levels, reducing acidity and discomfort. Protects against peptic ulcers. Some research suggests they may have protective effects against peptic ulcers. 2. Respiratory relief. Cough and cold. Carom seeds act as a natural expectorant, helping to clear mucus from the respiratory tract. They can relieve symptoms of coughs, colds, and nasal congestion. Chewing them with lukewarm water or inhaling the fumes from burnt seeds are traditional remedies. Asthma and bronchitis. Their bronchodilator properties help widen the airways, which can be beneficial for individuals suffering from asthma and chronic bronchitis, improving airflow and easing breathing. 3. Antibacterial and antifungal properties. Carom seeds, especially their essential oil, rich in thymol and carvacrol, exhibit strong antibacterial and antifungal effects. They can inhibit the growth of various harmful microorganisms, including E. coli and Salmonella, making them potentially useful in food preservation and preventing foodborne illnesses. 4. Heart health and blood pressure. Lowering blood pressure. Research suggests that compounds like thymol in carom seeds may have calcium channel blocking effects, similar to certain medications, which can help relax blood vessels and lower blood pressure. Improving cholesterol levels. Animal studies and some human studies indicate that carom seeds may help reduce total cholesterol, bad LDL cholesterol, and triglyceride levels, while potentially increasing good HDL cholesterol.
This can contribute to preventing arterial blockages and promoting overall heart health.
5. Pain and inflammation relief. Anti-inflammatory effects. Carom seeds possess anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce chronic inflammation in the body. Arthritis pain. They are traditionally used to alleviate joint pain associated with conditions like arthritis. A paste of crushed seeds can be applied topically or used in warm water soaks for relief. Toothache. Their antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties can help reduce toothache pain and fight oral infections. 6. Weight management support. While not a direct weight loss solution, carom seeds can support weight management by boosting metabolism and improving digestion. A more efficient metabolism means the body burns calories more effectively, and improved digestion can reduce bloating and help with nutrient absorption.
7. Skin health. Their antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties may benefit skin health, potentially helping with conditions like eczema, psoriasis, and acne, and reducing redness and swelling. 8. Oral health. Chewing carom seeds can help freshen breath by combating odor-causing bacteria. Their antiseptic properties contribute to overall oral hygiene.
9. Women's health. Menstrual cramps. In traditional medicine, carom seeds are believed to help alleviate menstrual cramps due to their antispasmodic properties. Lactation. They are also traditionally used to stimulate milk production in lactating mothers, though more scientific evidence is needed to confirm this.
Nutritional value. While typically consumed in small amounts as a spice, carom seeds contain a good amount of fiber, protein, and beneficial compounds. Per teaspoon, about 2 grams, they provide around 5 calories, 1 gram of carbohydrates, 1 gram of fiber, and small amounts of iron, calcium, and potassium. Their main benefits come from their active bioactive compounds and antioxidants. An important note: while carom seeds offer numerous benefits, moderation is key. Pregnant or breastfeeding women should exercise caution and consult a healthcare professional before consuming them in medicinal quantities, as some studies suggest potential abortifacient properties. As with any natural remedy, it's always advisable to consult a doctor, especially for specific medical conditions or if you are on other medications.
Ajwain, also known as carom seeds, is a potent spice, and its abilities, or what it can do, extend across both culinary and medicinal realms due to its unique chemical composition, particularly the presence of thymol. Here's a breakdown of what Ajwain seeds can do. In the kitchen, culinary applications. Flavor food. Ajwain adds a distinct, pungent, slightly bitter, and thyme-like flavor to dishes. Its aroma is strong and warm. Enhance Indian breads. It's a staple in doughs for Indian flatbreads like parathas, puris, and naan, adding flavor and aiding digestion, especially for fried items. Temper curries and lentils, tadka or chunk. When fried in hot oil or ghee, Ajwain seeds release their essential oils, infusing the entire dish with their aroma. This is a common practice in making dals, lentil soups, and vegetable curries, particularly those with potatoes or root vegetables. Flavor fried snacks, often added to batters for pakoras or fritters and other fried snacks to enhance taste and help mitigate the heavy feeling of fried food. Used in pickles. Its strong flavor and natural preservative qualities make it a good addition to various Indian pickles, achar. Seasoning. Can be sprinkled on roasted vegetables, used in rice dishes, or incorporated into spice blends. Mouth freshener. Chewing a small amount of roasted Ajwain seeds, sometimes with fennel and sugar,
can act as a natural mouth freshener.
How it's used for benefits. Ajwain water. Soaking or boiling ajwain seeds in water is a popular home remedy for digestive issues. Chewing raw seeds. A small amount can be chewed directly, especially after meals, for digestion. Ajwain tea. Simmering ajwain seeds in water, often with ginger, makes a soothing tea for colds, coughs, and digestion. Topical application. A paste of crushed seeds can be applied for pain relief, for example, arthritis, toothache, or skin issues. While ajwain offers many potential benefits, it's crucial to use it in moderation. Pregnant women in particular should avoid excessive intake due to potential risks. For specific health concerns, it's always best to consult a healthcare professional. While carom seeds, ajwain, are more commonly discussed and used, the leaves of the carom plant, often referred to as Indian borage or Cuban oregano, scientifically, Plectranthus omboyanicus, also offer a range of health benefits, drawing on similar active compounds, especially thymol and carvacrol. Here are some of the key benefits of carom leaves. 1. Digestive health. Aids digestion. Like the seeds, the leaves contain compounds that stimulate digestive enzymes, helping to improve digestion and alleviate common issues like indigestion, bloating, and gas. Chewing a few fresh leaves can provide quick relief. Relieves stomachache and cramps. The carminative and antispasmodic properties help relax gastrointestinal muscles and expel trapped gas, reducing discomfort from stomach aches and menstrual cramps. Reduces acidity. They can help to neutralize excess stomach acid, providing relief from heartburn and acidity.
2. Respiratory health. Cure for cough and cold. Carom leaves are a popular home remedy for respiratory ailments. Their expectorant properties help loosen and expel mucus, providing relief from coughs, colds, and nasal congestion. Sore throat relief. The anti-inflammatory properties can soothe the sore throat. May help with asthma. The bronchodilatory effects can help widen airways, offering some relief for asthmatic symptoms. Drinking a decoction made from the leaves is a common practice.
3. Antimicrobial and antifungal properties. Fights infections. The presence of thymol and carvacrol gives carom leaves strong antibacterial and antifungal capabilities, helping to combat various infections. Wound healing. Applied topically as a paste, they can aid in cleaning wounds and preventing infections.
4. Anti-inflammatory and pain relief. Reduces inflammation. Carom leaves possess anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce general inflammation in the body. Alleviates joint pain. Their analgesic and anti-inflammatory effects make them useful for relieving joint pain, including that associated with arthritis. 5. Skin health. Treats skin conditions. The anti-inflammatory and antiseptic properties can be beneficial for various skin issues, including acne, rashes, and minor infections. A paste of the leaves can be applied. Antioxidant benefits. Rich in antioxidants, they help fight free radical damage, which contributes to premature aging and dull skin, potentially improving skin complexion. 6. Oral health. Natural mouth freshener. Chewing a few leaves can help combat bad breath due to their antimicrobial properties. Improves gum health. They can also contribute to overall oral hygiene by fighting oral infections and reducing inflammation in the gums.
7. Other potential benefits. Boosts metabolism and aids weight loss. By improving digestion and metabolism, they may indirectly support weight management. Boosts immunity. Especially in children, the juice of carom leaves mixed with honey is traditionally used to strengthen the immune system. Balances hormones. Some traditional beliefs suggest they can help stabilize hormones due to their nutrient content.
How to use carom leaves medicinally. Chewing fresh leaves. For immediate relief from indigestion, gas, or stomach aches, simply chew 2 to 3 fresh carom leaves. Decoction, or tea. Boil 10 to 12 clean carom leaves in a glass of water until the quantity reduces to about 3/4. This concoction can be consumed warm, often with a little honey, for coughs, colds, and digestive issues. Juice. Crush the leaves and extract the juice. This can be mixed with honey, especially for children, to boost immunity and relieve cold symptoms. Topical application. A paste made from crushed leaves can be applied to the skin to treat infections, rashes, or minor pain. Important note: while carom leaves are widely used in traditional remedies, it's always advisable to consult a healthcare professional for serious health conditions or before incorporating them into your routine as a primary treatment, especially for pregnant women or individuals with underlying health issues.
Carom leaves, often from the plant Plectranthus amboinicus, also known as Indian borage or Cuban oregano, and sometimes referred to as Ajwain leaves due to their similar aroma, are versatile and offer a range of benefits, primarily used in traditional medicine and some culinary applications. Here's what carom leaves can do. Chewing fresh. Simply chew a few fresh leaves for quick relief from digestive issues. Decoction, or tea. Boil the leaves in water to make a warm tea, often consumed for coughs, colds, and digestive problems. Juice. Extracting the juice from crushed leaves and mixing it with honey is a common remedy for respiratory and immune support. Topical paste. Crush the leaves into a paste and apply to affected skin areas for infections, rashes, or pain relief. Culinary uses. While less common than the seeds, the leaves can also be added to dishes, chutneys, pakoras, or fritters, or even juices for flavor and nutritional benefits. It's important to remember that carom leaves have a long history of traditional use and promising health benefits. Consulting a healthcare professional is always advisable for serious medical conditions or before using them as a primary treatment.
Thank you for watching video. Please like, comment, and share this video.